are you?
Yes, I'm good, ma'am. Thanks for asking. And how about you?
I'm also good. And as we are meeting first time, so let's introduce one another.
Yes, ma'am. Let's introduce me first. My name is Pankaj and I belong from UP Prayagraj. And I'm a working
Okay.
person. I'm doing job in a private company. And my hobbies are reading books. And sometimes I'm also like to cooking. So that's it. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. So
Yes,
shall I
ma'am.
introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I am also from UP, Jaunpur, and I'm private school teacher. Tell me something about your journey. Means how long have you been learning English communication?
To be honest, ma'am, I'm started to learn this language. It's been around 6 to 7 months, and I'm
Okay.
just uh, like I was started learning from there is a application. I think it's very trending application, Joestalk.
Okay. Joe
So
stock, yes, I know.
yeah, so I was practicing over there, and when I was started that time, my spoken English was very bad. So I just started, and it's been 6 to 7 months. And day by day, I'm just feeling improvement in my English, spoken English. Otherwise, at day one, I was not able to introduce myself. Even I was not able to express my thoughts in front of anyone. But now, it's because of my regular practice. I'm just improving. Not I'm perfect, but I'm just improving.
Okay, so I want to know actually when you started your journey, so which type of obstacle you faced most?
And I was there is a one also a region like you can say region. And when I was started that time, one of my friend he was just trying to learn. He taken the subscription of that application, but after 1 month, after the using of 1 month, he just left using. So I just asked why you are left. So he told me I'm not interested. So I asked I'm wanted to learn. So if you have suggestion, give me your ID. So I started
Okay.
from my friend's ID learning, and after the submission completion of that course, I'm again renewed, and I'm still sometime practicing over there. And yeah, there were. If you ask the one question like how was obstacle and problems you face in your initial days. So when I was trying to interact with people, person in starting days. So my English was very poor and very bad. I already earlier mentioned like how I introduced myself. I don't know. So some of people they just disconnect the call. They or didn't want to like interact with me because of I don't know how idea. So this kind of issue I face, and but I'm never missed my practice. I just try to I speak every day. I try to read and watch videos. So now I am feeling comfortable and also confident to talk with anyone.
Yes, I can see confidence in
Yeah.
yourself, and that is the great thing. And sometimes people are unable to speak English just because of lack of confidence. And as you are saying that when you were applying that app, some of the people don't want to talk to you when you are learner or beginner. So if just suppose you are getting connect call with someone, and the person before you, if he is a good speaker and like advanced level speaker, and when he find out like yes, you are learner, so definitely means I'm not saying about all, but yes, there are some people who don't want to talk to learner or beginners. They want
Yes,
to talk to only intermediate level, high level, like English speaker, so that they can enhance their speaking more and more. And they were considering, I think, like if we are talking to this type of learner and beginner, so we can't learn anything and we are just wasting our time. Because I also faced this problem, that's why I'm telling. Sometime when I realized means in my initial day I used to two app, not for a long time. So what I realized means whenever my call was connecting to a person, like when I realized means he or she is a good uh, English speaker, and at that time I myself also feeling so much nervous after realizing they are speaking, oh, they are good. But after some time I noticed like they didn't want to talk to me just because I was learner, and I was
Yeah.
not so much good at English. That's why. And whenever my call got connected with any learner or beginner, so they are just talking comfortably, and they are also comfortable with us, and we are also comfortable with them. So this is the reality. I
Yes,
also
ma'am.
feel.
Like many people also you like demotivate me. Like when my call connected with some like good speakers, they told me why you are wasting my time. If you are if you don't know English, you join any academy. You just learn ABCD. Like this, they demotivated. But I
Yes,
know ABCD, I know English, but because of you all know, ma'am, you also from Jaunpur, so we are native. Our native language is Hindi, so we never spoke English. So
yes,
speaking language comes from practice. So I'm here and for practice or like here and everywhere. Just I'm for practice. So, but I'm never get demotivated. I motivate myself with myself every day. Definitely one day I will be
that's
become a
great.
good speaker. Yes, ma'am. And one thing I'm also want to tell you, ma'am. Now I'm also if I'm whatever I'm talking with here and any platform, if any beginners connect with me, so I'm always just try to motivate them, and even sometimes I'm counsel them like 2 minutes, 5 minutes for motivation types. To please
Yes.
never give up. Yes.
Yes, you are right. And honestly, if I say so, I'm also doing the same thing, because you know that we all just like in the same boat. Means the problem that you faced and I also faced the same problem in my initial day, because we both are, I think, from Hindi medium background since childhood.
Yes.
You are also, and me also. We all means everyone can imagine means how like hard a task it is to learn English communication. But yes, nowadays I can say means we can't make any excuses, just like we are not getting environment in our surrounding, because this Skype app, it's providing beautiful and good English environment, so we all can get nowadays. And on Skype, means how many people I faced, means I always face polite person and good person, and I never face such type of person who just make me feel demoralized.
I was
Yes.
searching someone so with whom like I tried I searched many places how I interact with person like video conversation by face conversation because like you also know ma'am if we start talking a one-on-one call like audio call so we feel confident and we never hesitate but if when it comes to talk in face to face so that time we also
Yes.
feel so that's why
Yes,
I
you are
was
right.
searching and I saw your videos on YouTube. So I that's why I messaged you, ma'am, how I can connect with you, and you replied with over there. So thank you, ma'am, to suggest me and also join me,
Thanks
ma'am.
a lot. And do you know, as I said, means I means couldn't remember, but yes, sometime there's any person just message me on my channel, because in almost in my all video I used to say like I'm also learner and beginner in English. So that time many people just messaged me like I want to talk to you and practice English with you, so I suggested everyone. And recently means I have also made a solo video on especially on this, like if you
Right,
really
ma'am.
want to talk to me you can talk me. But yes, there's a big problem of time. I don't have like much time, because I have to handle lots of things together, like my
Yeah,
school work
uh,
and
yeah, how to
but yes,
trust.
you know that honestly means I always want to help others, means who are just facing these type of problem as we faced in our initial day. And means we can understand like this problem was not so hard, but we were considering it so hard, so like hurdle and obstacle, but it's all depend on practice only.
Yes,
If yes, if we start practicing
absolutely.
on daily basis, and if just suppose we are talking on video call like this, so this is the thing that give us more and more confidence.
Yes, ma'am. It's definitely it's a people think English is very hard and difficult,
Yes.
but it's not that much hard if we start learning this language. So step by step, very easily we learn. Like, ma'am, I'm telling about myself. Before 6 months ago, I don't have idea about speaking, but now I'm speaking. Yeah, I'm not perfect, but I'm speaking. So, and one day I will be a good speaker, I believe, because of my regular practice. So people just think,
And sorry to interrupt you, but I must say one thing. As you are saying, one day, yes, we have to learn for be more and more confidence. And but I must say that you have already become a good English speaker, because I am observing your way of speaking, and there's no hesitation, no shyness, and no. So this is the great thing. So just like this, we should consider English as a language and try to enjoy the process, and definitely if we start doing this, so very soon, means all can become fluent speaker. Yes,
yeah, everyone, ma'am, not only we, and I think everyone, if someone want to learn,
everyone.
someone want to learn spoken English, so they have to first they have to take the first step to start speaking. And
Yes,
second, in the speaking journey, I think, ma'am, there is two rule in according to me, two rule is most important. Not according to me also. This first one is everyone know consistency, and second one is patience, ma'am. If you
yes,
don't have patience, if you don't have patience, definitely you will quit and leave your journey because it's take time. So you must have to patience to learn this
yes, you are right.
language.
Sometimes there are many like a person who want to speak English, and just because they give up, why? Just because of their impatience. And do you know, in my initial day, I was also feeling myself so much impatient. And after means realizing the fact, like yes, for speaking English, only speaking is important, mostly not only learning all things. When I was feeling myself not able to speak confidently, so that time I was also feeling so much frustrated, like oh my god, I think I should give up. I don't try to think about English, like in future I will never become an English speaker.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
that time there's a feeling inside me. But when I started speaking, and when I took this step after coming on this platform and after using Skype, but nowadays I am realizing, like yes, that time what I was doing, I was becoming impatient only. So we have to keep patience in ourselves, and that's why, I also made a solo video on patience. This topic,
Yeah.
like
Okay,
yes, have
okay.
patience.
I'm not seeing that video, but definitely I will say. But yeah, what I observed, that things I told you, ma'am, because definitely patience, without patience, you can't learn any language, whatever you are learning, English or whether any other language. If you don't have patience, you will never learn that language because any language take minimum and minimum sometimes a few months, few years also. And many peoples like me, like you already mentioned, in initial days, we don't have idea and guidance how we start, what should we do to improve our spoken English. We just start to reading grammar rule in a deep. If you, I believe, if you know basic rule of grammar, so
Yes.
don't try to learn in a detailed grammar. Just try to practice speaking practice and watch some videos. So these will definitely help to everyone to improve their spoken English. This is my things. Um,
Yes, and you are absolutely right.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
you want to put up any topic or question, or we should wind up the session?
I think for now we should wind up. Next, if definitely next time we will connect, to we will discuss on any other topics like
Yes, yes. Yes, of course. So, bye
yeah,
bye.
ma'am.
Take care.
Bye, ma'am, and enjoy.
Nice to talk to you. Yes.
Yes, yes. Bye.